You ran, but I never left. You've been running for a long time, not just from people, but from me. You thought if you kept busy, or kept hiding, the pain would disappear. You thought I wouldn't want you anymore. But I watched every step. Not with anger, with love. I didn't lock the door behind you, I left it open for you to walk back through. Because I never gave up on you. Not for a second. You thought your mistakes disqualified you, but grace doesn't expire. Mercy doesn't run out. You're still mine, not because you were perfect, but because I paid the price to call you my own. Come back home. I've been waiting. When you walk through the door, there will be no shame, no punishment, just a father who runs to meet you, wraps his arms around you and says, "Welcome home, my child." Comment, "I'm coming home." Save this in case you ever forget his grace. Share this with someone who thinks they've gone too far.